If you're inspired by food, fire, and good times, we have the perfect braai to help you bring it all together. Introducing the Megamaster Origin Series 5-burner Patio gas braai, featuring everything you need in a gas braai and nothing you don't. With a spacious cooking area, you can braai for 2 or as many guests as you can invite. To fire up the Megamaster Origin Series 5-burner, simply open the gas, twist the control knob on the stylish stainless steel control panel and press the easy ignition button for instant fire. Each burner puts out 10,000 BTUs. Flame tamers distribute up to 50,000 BTUs of heat evenly across the entire cooking surface. Durable cast iron cooking grids ensure plenty of braais to come. Not only that, the Megamaster Origin Series 5-burner is equipped with a convenient stainless steel side burner. Prepare delicate ingredients, vegetables, sauces, or any side dish your heart desires. The more space the better. The 5-burner is decked out with sturdy side tables for plates and prepping, plus handy accessory hooks put every utensil within reach. 2 large easy roll wheels allow you to braai anywhere, anytime and store with ease. Get everything you need from the dependable, powerful Megamaster Origin Series 5-burner Patio gas braai. Megamaster, together made better.